Morning everyone. Today I'm going to be recording myself going to Arizona. I'm currently in Logan Airport in Boston, Massachusetts. It's 5 a.m. in the morning. I'm very exhausted, but it's going to be a fun trip. I definitely need the warmth. It's my winter break. So if you guys like it, make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you guys later. Just arrived in Phoenix, Arizona. It is definitely warmer here, and I'm excited to explore, so make sure you guys are following along. What's up guys? My last day driving back to the airport. Just made a pit stop at this random place that has a breakfast place, so yeah, trying to look for a restroom. I mean, I don't even know if there's a restroom right here, but overall I enjoyed it. I'll talk more later, so peace out. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and peace out for my next journey.